And welcome, guys, to a bank holiday special of the Lit Capital Market Outlook. Okay, I'm your host, Jacob, and today I'm going to be bringing you a forecast of things of what we can potentially foresee in the markets for the week ahead. Okay, so before we get started, of course, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you find our content useful, so we can keep bringing you stuff of this nature to the forefront of your feed. As well as, if you haven't, please check out our website, www.litcapital.co.uk, okay, to get started on your trading journey with us. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how to trade and you want to be mentored, okay, please hit us up at our website and check out our packages section. So before we get into it, of course, we're going to be checking the economic calendar. And with it excuse me, with it being a bank holiday, and it is also the end of August, okay, we've had to bear that in mind. So why we didn't do the call on Sunday, why we're doing it today, is the fact that we're not expecting a great deal of content in that regard. Okay, so with it being the end of the month, we might see a slow day today. We might see a little bit more of a final push to kind of close out that monthly candle on the pairs that we're going to be looking at, but we're not anticipating much to happen. Okay, so with that being said, nothing really stands out in regards to Monday that kind of needs our attention. So if you are technical based and you do have setups technical wise, be sure to try and play them out and see what they do for the day, but not realistically going to be trading today. Tuesday, the final day of the month, we got some PMI data coming out of China. We also have some consumer confidence, coming out of the JPY, Japan. We got some unemployment rates for the Euro, German countries. We also have some GDP growth from Italy, as well as some inflation rate from France. So a lot of Euro-based news on the final day of the month on Tuesday. Going later into that day, nothing really standing out, okay? And then if we keep exploring, going to Wednesday, so it's the start of the new month, we have some retail sales for the Euro, as well as some unemployment data for the Euro as well, okay? We then have PMI data for the European countries too, as well as the GBP. Going later on into the afternoon on Wednesday, we got some ADP employment change. We got some market manufacturing PMI for the US as well as Canada. Okay, so Thursday, retail sales for the Swiss. We also have unemployment change for Spain. We also have some jobless claims for the US. So that's how we wrap up Thursday. Friday, going into it, we got PMI data for. So there's a lot of Euro data, to be honest with you, this week. That kind of stands out. And then obviously we got NFP this Friday. So that will definitely be something to look out for as well. The main thing to look out for this week, to be honest with you. So with that being said, if we go over to the charts, I do want to start with the dollar. Okay, so what we saw last week was a bit of a push to the downside, but again, like, we do want to see how this monthly candle closes. Okay, we're kind of having a bit of a pullback after taking out these highs on the monthly time frame. And since then we haven't really seen that progressive move continue to the upside. Okay, so what we can anticipate, of course, is that we are still within this bullish movement to the upside. So we are looking to see that continue. Will we see it continue without wiping these lows out? I probably wouldn't think so. I would want to see these lows taken out. We may get a bounce off of here, of course, but I do think we can come to lower areas, i.e. the 4 hour. This area here kind of stands out to me around the 92,350. That is where I want to see price come to before potentially getting a continuation. So obviously, with today being a bank holiday in England anyway, and we are heading into New York soon, we are going to be looking at whether or not we can see price come down lower before potentially getting that push to the upside. Okay, so nothing really immediate stands out in terms of us rising and continuing the upwards bullish trend on the dollar, but overall we are still bullish on it. We just want to see some pullbacks happen. Okay, so the other pair I got for you guys, of course, is gold. So gold, I believe, is actually going to head higher. We have maintained, if I just go to the 4 hour quickly, again, we maintained this bullish structure, and then after that news on Friday, we kind of pushed up where Jerome Powell was speaking. We saw the dollar weaken. So for me, I do believe we may get a bit of a retracement, but I think this overall target around 1830 to fill this imbalance around 80, just over 1850 as well, is kind of what I'm hoping to see. Okay, so I do think eventually with the dollar getting stronger, I do think there'll be weakness first. So I think we can actually see gold continue to rise to those areas this week, of course. But whether or not we're going to do it within, what's it called, this month, the end of the month, of course, is yet to be seen. So it might not happen today, it might not happen tomorrow, with it being the last month. But then going into later in the week, we could maybe see this continue to rise. Okay, so the first area that kind of sticks out to me is off of the back of where we rally to the upside. So with it being a swing low point here, I would like to see a retracement, of course, to actually continue. So around the 1800, 1799, if we can get around there, I would believe we may be able to take some buys. So it's not quite ready yet. If it does continue without giving us the retracement, then so be it. Don't have us out for it otherwise. But if we can get that pullback on the 1 hour, that area definitely stands out to me. So that is kind of where I would be looking to see what can happen. Okay, so realistically, guys, nothing as of yet is standing out. We're just gonna hope and wait. Obviously, it's Monday, so we're gonna hope and wait to see if we can get any type of pullback on this. And the final pair I've got for you guys is on US oil. Okay, so US oil, what I did notice is that we kind of gapped up on Sunday Eve with the market open when Sydney opened, and we bounced off this 1 hour candle we've got here, where we kind of pushed down to the bottom before. So what I do believe is that you know, if we can get a bit more of a pullback, I would like to see higher prices so that we can actually take a sell from a bit higher up. Okay, so this 4 hour area stands out to me here. I do actually want to see this area breached, okay, with there being a lot of liquidity resting here. But if we do push down again, that would be good, because, you know, we have been on a bit of a bullish run out of this daily candle here. So where we haven't really pulled back and had a proper retracement, if we can get one, that would be great for the buy. But if we don't get the buy and it just continues rising, then that's great anyway, because that's kind of the outcome we're waiting for. Okay, we do want to be selling it from higher up. With that being said, so, you know, let's see how the market plays out. It is only the start of the week, and it is again also the end of the month. So when you check the monthly candle out, you start figuring out, okay, what we're actually looking like. We could definitely see this end up like how it is and not far off how it is. So it's really going to depend if we can get push higher in order to get that short. If not, we have to maybe wait till midweek when we open up with the new start of the new month. Okay, so those are the things that we're looking at to begin with. Not much going on immediately, of course, but again, just monitor your pairs, guys, and monitor these pairs. The things that I've just spoken about, they will be getting thrown in our Discord channel for those subscribed. If you're not subscribed and you'd like to get access to our Discord channel, please head over to our website and check the packages section. Okay, it is only a subscription fee of £25 per month, and there's a lot of value in there. Okay, so that's it for the call today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you did, please like and subscribe to our video, and we'll be sure to bring you more fire content like this. So, you know the vibes. Bank holiday special brought to you by Jacob. Okay, everyone enjoy their bank holiday, and remember, every day is money day. Peace.